looks like you painted it. This side is clear. Matter.
I'm an adult.
So. Now, it is shiny. We're getting some paper towels and we're just gonna wipe it off. And it'll look beautiful. We're just gonna
Science rules.
Okay. Okay.
Now we're just gonna do a little bit of squeegeeing. Squeegee right here. And
Not bad.
it's good.
It's good.
I think you got me like a subscriber.
Oh yeah.
Cover on, and we're done. So see you